If you're looking for a really nice mid-size low mileage SUV for under 20 grand, look no further. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this 2022 Ford Escape SE. Really nice vehicle. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, lots of cargo room, 12-volt outlet in the cargo area, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Michelin tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. It's carbonized gray metallic with dark earth gray interior. Tinted windows, color key door handles, contrasting black mirror caps. Projector beam headlights, just as clean inside as it is out. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, all weather mats throughout. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror, part of your Copilot 360 package. Automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, cruise, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 53,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, rotary shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2022 Ford Escape SE, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.